So now let's install Marketing Cloud Connect. So the first thing we'll do is we'll go to the setup page inside of our Salesforce org, and then we'll go to the quick find bar and type in Platform Events. So I've typed in Platform Events, and I'm going to click Platform Events. If we see an interface that allows us to create a new platform event, we know that platform events are enabled inside of our Salesforce org. If you don't see this and platform events is not enabled, you need to create a case with Salesforce support to have them enable custom platform events. Once you've made sure that platform events is enabled in your Salesforce org, you need to go to Salesforce official documentation to download the most recent Marketing Cloud Connect package. To do this, I'm at the official Salesforce documentation page to install the correct managed package. This is going to be the most up-to-date managed package that you can download. And you can download the package for a production org or for a sandbox org. For our instance, we'll choose a production org. And we'll be directed to the link here to install Marketing Cloud Connect. What I've always done and what I would advise you to do is to install for admins only. And then you'd click Install. And then you would make sure that all of these websites are SSL encrypted. And then you would click Yes, grant access to these third-party websites, and click Continue. And then you'll get a loading page that says Installing and granting access to admins only. It may take a while for this package to download, so you'll get an email when the download completes. And when it completes, you'll come back to your Salesforce CRM org, and you'll go to the Setup page, and in the quick find bar, you'll type in Installed Packages, and then click on Installed Packages. And we see in our Installed Packages list, the Marketing Cloud package. And that's how you install the Marketing Cloud Connect package into your Salesforce CRM org.